How
much for this?
I need $30 for everything.
30?
Yeah, for everything. You see, it's a lot of poker. $30. So no open, please.
Do you have any more? I'm going to run this to my truck as fast as I can because this is Pokemon and this is a whole box for $30, and we all know how good I've been doing on Pokemon. So I think we just scored right here. Let's go take a gander.
There's gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never seen one. No,
I just scored this one too. Check this one out.
Yeah.
That one, CC. We're here. By we, I mean, got this guy. He managed to show up today. This is his son. Look who this guy is. It's Anthony. We got this little load here. In Concord, this is rare. We never come out here. We're going different. We got everything on tables. Look how professional we are. Market's dead, but we're gonna bring it back to life today. This is fast and efficient. It is 7:18 and we out here at 6:45 and we're already set up. Look at this. This is phenomenal. I've never seen this type of behavior. We're done unloading. I gotta walk around and see if I can find any treasures real quick because that's what I do. Steve, how much are all these?
Oh, $30.
For both boxes?
Both boxes.
All right. I don't know what I bought, but just for the price, I couldn't pass it up. You pull up one card, you see the eras. Look, 1978. I'll buy those sight unseen.
Oh, look
always.
at Mikey. Hello, everybody. What have you found? Another lot of cards? This is your thing right now, isn't it?
It's just...
What's that? How much? Oh, Mikey. $2.
So yeah, we paid 30 for this, 20 for that, 50. That's a no-brainer. There's... Just look at the era. 1970, 1980.
Yeah, they're old, you can see.
Yeah, people don't realize what they got. Yeah, everything that I have is cheap.
That's very cheap.
Whole box of them. Yes, Uncle Mike, what's up?
Like maybe there's one more bin that I didn't find.
Grab that tarp, take all of our shoes and dump them on a tarp.
No. You want to go ahead? That's too much work. It's just before 10. Market's already feeling dead. You can see all around. People are walking around but barely shopping. It's like a looky-loo. We do have some customers. We have not sold this and we have not sold that. I like that this yard sale sign over here is pointing that way. It's weird, but anyway, I think I'm about ready to wrap up. Kind of pack it up and call it a day because I don't like being out here when it's not people buying. Everything is clean and nice. We're ready to go for tomorrow's market. We've got tables and back. Do a quick pick before we set up. Uncle Michael's over there. Anyway, and we like button, share button, subscribe, say something pretty, and let's find some treasure. Oh, he's not gonna get it? Why not?
Yeah. No. Oh yeah, I did. I went Tuesday, I think it was. Yeah. What are you getting on your furniture cover? No, this is for me. Oh.
How much is a football?
What is it?
The football? How much for this?
I need $30 for everything.
30?
Yeah, for everything. You see, it's a lot of poker. $30. So no open, please.
Do you have any more?
No, it's the same.
You have any sports cards?
No.
Okay. I'm going to run this to my truck as fast as I can because this is Pokemon and this is a whole box for $30, and we all know how good I've been doing on Pokemon. So I think we just scored right here. Let's go take a gander. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, what do we score here, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this. Look at all that Pokemon, man. how much I paid for that.
That box?
Yeah.
30 bucks.
That is exactly how much I paid. How did you know? Oh, wow. Yeah, but ooh. Here we got an EX. I don't know about these guys. I don't know what years I got. Basic, basic, basic. These ones are like you, Uncle Michael. Basic. 2009 Charizard. Flareon. You think everything is money and you hold on to it forever.
Except Pokemon.
Well, why don't we go through them at another time?
Ooh,
right
look at that. Pikachu. What do you know about Pikachu? Did you say you have to ask Spencer?
Yeah.
Wow. Spencer, you listening? Uncle Michael just gave you a shout out. What's that? That one's in a special case. You don't think that one's good? Pikachu. All right. Anyway, we got a cool little box of cards.
Oh, it's vintage.
Yeah, it's cool. It's vintage. Look at you. I'm gonna go take another lap real quick.
You guys don't like the Nintendos? Mike's got a bunch of Nintendos. I sold these good on my auction the other night.
Oh, nice. You should sell these on there. Buy them. I want a 120 for everything.
I'd let him have it for 100.
I would, and I'd make him pay more than everybody. He's a YouTuber, he owns a store, all this, he got all that money. How much are the Pokemon?
Depends. I'm trying to sell them as cages, but if you take individuals, and I've also got some of my good stuff in here. Like I'm trying to sell them like
Define
$1 a piece, and the foil's like $5.
Okay.
And I got Yu-Gi-Oh cards behind them, first edition. These are my cards growing up, you know.
I just bought a whole shoebox this morning for 30 bucks.
Oh,
I'm hoping I'm gonna get lucky in there, but
Yeah, these are homeboys. I'll put your stuff right here, man. Okay, thanks.
how much are the other Legos?
I'm pricing them up real quick.
Oh,
Just give me a
okay.
few minutes, but really good prices. I mean,
Do you have $3 change?
yeah, sure do, man. Sure.
You got a package deal if you bought them all?
No,
Alright.
because I'm gonna bring them back tomorrow.
How much is this?
It's $20.
Thank you.
I like it. Thank you. Yeah, I'm nervous. Look.
Cut it out.
Yeah, I see it for the action every time. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching my channel.
Yeah, thank you.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, I too.
Well, I'll give you an example of how I'm selling this stuff. For example,
deal for everything?
I can only do so much because this already is a deal. Like this one here is like, I'd be asking like 15.
Okay.
It's a
Do you want this one, sir? No. No? Okay.
It's a $90 shirt, and it's roughly how everything is in there. Like this is 36. I'm probably gonna go 5 on that. These ones here, probably same thing, 5 each. Columbia?
Yeah.
That one's 25.
What do you call it? Copper. I don't know if there's any
They are Indian head gold.
There is gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never seen one. No,
I just scored this one too. Check this one out.
Yeah.
That one, CC.
Cool. Awesome.
That's sweet.
Yeah, you got that from a locker?
No, I just bought this off somebody driving by, and I scooped it up. It's a 1804, 1890, 1904, 1897. An S. Kind of cool.
Yeah. These are the approval books, and when you were young, when I was a young kid, they used to send away for it, and they send you a book like this, and you just pick whatever you want to buy and send the rest back to them, and then the next month they'll send you another one and so forth. That's how they make
Back when the
money.
honesty policy was still in effect in this world.
Yeah.
Yeah, the good old days. Well, I'm done shopping for the day, so now we're gonna pack up. We didn't sell a whole lot. Gonna prep for another day. This was a bad day to come out, I guess. Into lockdown basically starting tomorrow, so I think that scared everybody, and the markets are back to dead. I'm paying Uncle Michael to work while I shopped, basically. You know, a lot of this really is just job security for him, because I don't need to sell today. I would normally just come walk around, but I also have the stuff because he needs to dissipate, so he comes out here and sells. So after paying him, I did walk away with a net profit of $200. 10 crisp $20 bills, which is better than nothing, better than a sharp stick in the eye. And we got some cool stuff. I'm gonna head home and I'll give you a better little reveal of the stuff that I bought today picking. So here we are, we're done at the flea market, and we are back at the house. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough and show you everything I bought. Real quick, I bought this right here. This is pretty tight. This is like a Chinese New Year looking dragon or something. It's clearly marked right there. You can see this square. That is silver, and it's actually very old. I kind of like that. So I paid 20 for that. Unsure what I'll get on my auction. I bought these right here. This is an 1888 Carson City CC. I think I paid about roughly $100, maybe 110 for all of these coins. No, I think it was 120. 1921. Either way, I did really good, because this coin right here is worth more. 1878. This is a S mint mark. This is a 1896, and this is no mint mark. Then you got these pennies here. Man, these things really look nice. They sure look, damn near look like gold. I know they're not, but that was a 1908. I don't see a mint mark. A 1904, an 1897, and a 1904. Okay, and then we got this proof set. And then this was kind of cool. I think I paid 10 bucks for this. I just bought it because I thought it was cool. He-Man 1984. Pretty decent shape. Good little lunchbox. These right here are real cool. These are old Navy flight helmets, right? This one has some bad pieces going on in the ears, but whatever. It's got the attachment. I didn't get the face mask part, but still, that is a cool piece right there. I'm uneven certain of the value. I just bought them. I think I paid $150 for these. There's two of them. This one's gold. They're very old. I'll do some research, look into them. They'll probably end up on my YouTube auction. Very nice though. There's two of those Navy helmets, and then I got this box of cards here, guys. You guys know I've been killing it on the Pokemon. Here we got some. Look at that Charizard. I don't know what the shape of that is. Let's look. Not very good. This is a stage 2012 stage 2 Charizard. We'll do some research on these. And I don't know why, but this one came in a case. Well, let's look this one up here in a second. A Tornadus. I thought that was interest in a Thundurus. Tornadus and Thundurus. It's the only ones that were in the hard plastics. And there are various like this. See, look, like here's a Charmander. It is a 99, and it's not a shadowless. But there are lots of cards. And some of them are in not the bestest shape. Some of them are in decent shape. There's lots of them. Look, you get these little things like this. And you can open this up and then it's just poof. What's in here? 2015, 2015. All sorts of, look at that. A Schloglopede, a Crocoroco, a Crocodile. Okay. And there, it's a whole box. I paid 30 bucks for this box of Pokemon right here. I think that's the deal of the day. I know this is a good coin. I know those are good. But I paid 30 bucks for this. And I think there's more value here than understood sometimes. Let's see. Let's take a little gander in these ones here. What do we got? 2007. We got a Squirtle. I just love that name. We got a Grimer. Not fond of that name. 1999, a Machop. Squirtle from 99. A Machop. But they're not all really in the best of shape. I'm going to have to go through them and look really good at each one and find out what I got, because these 99s are, we're getting some good 99s. A fair amount of them, I should say. Weedle. These will end up in my YouTube auction. If you don't know, I do YouTube auctions on Pirate Auctions, my sister channel. The link is in the video for every one of my videos has the link to that channel. A couple more, another little stack here. I'm getting an idea of what we got, and then we're going to be done with this little bit of walkthrough here. There's some good cards here, man. Trap niche. Okay, what do we got here? A Deerling. That's interesting. I think all in all, for the money I spent, 30, 110, we'll say 140, 290, 300. I spent $320 on all this. I think that these will probably put everything in profit. This will put everything in profit by itself. This would put probably everything in profit by itself. Whatever. That was a good day picking. Don't forget to hit the like button, share button, subscribe. Turn the notifications on and say something pretty like, I love Pokemon.